They're striking, aren't they? Yes, Banksia flowers are a drawcard, but the diversity of colour and shape of the flowers, the woody fruit, the texture of the foliage, and the various forms among the 170 or so species are just as fascinating. Banksias occurred naturally in every state and territory in Australia, with the greatest diversity in the southwest of Western Australia. And if you're ever in the mood for a visual feast of Banksias, well, you'll find most of the WA species here at Kings Park in Perth. Let's start with two cracking ground cover types. Banksia petiolaris from the coastal regions of southwest WA is a dense prostrate shrub that will spread to around 4 square metres. The flower spikes form from spring right through to winter, producing yellow flowers. The vertical foliage is also a great feature. Banksia blechnifolia has large pink to reddy brown flowers, but it's the serrated foliage that's really eye-catching, plus the hairy, burnt orange new leaf growth that contrasts beautifully against the mature green leaves. Both of these species are readily available from native nurseries, and like most WA Banksias, they need good drainage and plenty of sun. And because they've evolved in infertile soils with low levels of phosphorus, it's important to only feed them with a fertiliser that's been formulated for native plants. Banksia undata is an upright shrub to around 3 metres tall, with prolific urchin-like yellow flowers. It was formerly known as Dryandra praemorsa until it was reclassified into the Banksia genus around 2007. It's endemic to southwest WA, where it grows in open jarrah forest. It's widely cultivated and relatively easy to grow. One of the remarkable things about the life cycle of Banksias is their relationship with fire. Most need the heat from fire to open up their woody fruit to release their seed, and some need the chemicals found in smoke to germinate. Some Banksias develop lignotubers at the base so they can regenerate after fire, and others produce a thick, corky bark to protect the living tissue underneath. This Banksia menziesii has both traits. Banksia ilicifolia grows up to 10 metres high and will re-sprout after fire. The inflorescence, or cluster of flowers, is initially yellowy green, but turns pink as it opens up and matures, a signal to birds that the flowers are open and nectar is available. It's suited to dry summer climates, needs good drainage and full sun. A plant that offers up so much presence, even in the harshest of conditions, is an asset in any garden. What I've shown you today is just a tiny snapshot of this distinctive genus. If you haven't indulged yourself yet, well, speak to your local native plant supplier to find out which species of Banksia is best suited to your part of the country.